Okay, so here we are, the favorite part of my project, right, Chuck? He knows I can't stand being underneath here. In the summer, man, it gets wet from the pool splashing over, and there's slugs all over the place under here. When I got the tick in the back, I think I got it right out here in the grass. But it's cold now and everything's dead, so it's not so bad under here. Only 3 water bottles under here. That's all the bottles I got left. Really, you're not going to get a bunch of wind underneath here like you are outside where the pool's exposed. So what we'll do now is go over to the adjuster out there, pull the cables tight as we can, then start cranking it down and tightening everything up. Okay, we got one little hole in this thing already. You can see that screw right there, and there's the little hole. Thought I had everything out of there. One little screw sticking out a ½ an inch. Put a hole in my $130 pool cover. So, okay, we're gonna get out of here and we'll finish her up, and then it's inside because it's 6 o'clock. It's time for church. Godspeed. God bless you all. I'm praying for you. Hang in there. You can do it yourself. Look, I just did. Piece of cake, right?